said and done. Now I can let you know, because of all you've shown, I've grown enough to tell you, you'll always be inside of me. How many roads have gone by, so many words left unspoken. I needed to be by your side, if only to hold you forever in my heart. Forever we will be, and even when I'm gone, you'll be here in me, forever. Once I dreamed that you were gone. I cried, I tried to find you. I begged your dreams to fade away, and please awaken me. But night took a hold of my heart and left me with no one to follow. The love that I lost to the dark, I always remember. Forever in my heart, forever we will be. I know that when I'm gone, you'll be here in me, forever in my life. Always thought I'd be yours.
Here's a song from the 80s.